With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution can be matched to the individual needs of a gynecological clinic. You can decontaminate up to 8 Kristeller or 16 Cusco specula in one flex basket. To achieve even better drying results, Kristeller specula can be placed in the basket at a slight angle. Cusco or Semm specula are opened and hung over the longitudinal struts. Flex Basket 6 provides space for further instruments. 2 Flex Basket specula can be stacked on a Flex Basket 6 to make efficient use of the practice-optimized washing chamber.